The air filter for the 2018 to 2023 2.5-liter Toyota Camry Hybrid is simple and straightforward to change, and it can be done in less than 5 minutes. No tools required. Before you begin, be sure that your car is parked safely and is turned off. Always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses, caps, and other components nearby. To remove the old air filter, you can locate the main air filter box at the driver's side front of the engine bay, just behind the radiator. To open, simply pop the two clips located at the top rear of the box. The box is secured at the front by two tabs and can slide out by working the box rearward and upward. Once you've gained enough clearance by pulling it out of the way, lift the air filter element upward and out. To replace the filter, just reverse the order of removal. Make sure you've seated the air filter and that the edges aren't pinched in any way before you insert the two tabs at the front of the air box and then begin to close it up. Once it's all seated, secure the two latches at the top and you're done.